Good morning, students. Now we will study next topic to study the position time graph. Position time graph. In this, first of all, let us consider that an object is moving along a straight line with constant velocity. Velocity is constant. Constant velocity already we have taken that object is moving with constant velocity 15 meter per second at time t is equal to 0. Then let us consider one assumption also, that displacement of the object is 10 meter from the origin. Means from the origin that object is placed at 10 meter. Let 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to so on. Then let along this side, let it is a position. Along this side it is a time. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Now from the origin we have taken that object displacement is 10 meter. And if x naught represents the displacement at t is equal to 0, and we know that at t is equal to 0 this x naught is equal to 10 meter. Already we have taken that object is placed at 10 meter from the origin position O. Clear? Now we know that from the definition of velocity, final distance minus initial divided by final time minus initial time. If object is moving, it will reach somewhere places and at another point. From this, if we know that this t is equal to 0, so only vt is equal to x dash minus x. We will take this t dash is equal to t or put this t is equal to 0. So from here we will see that x dash is equal to x plus vt. Now this is our equation in which we have to put different values and we will find different displacements and we will plot a graph. Clear? Now first of all, at t is equal to 1 second here, then object will be x is equal to, we know that x naught it is, we can put it as x naught is equal to 10, x dash is equal to or x is equal to or s is equal to, we can say that 10 plus 1 into 15 is velocity, already we have taken, so it is 10 plus 15 means 25. Next, at t is equal to 2 second, x dash will be equal to 10 as it is plus 2 into 15, that is equal to 10 plus 30, that is equal to 40 meter. Next, at t is equal to 3 second, so x dash is equal to 10 plus 3 into 15 or it is 10 plus 45 which is equal to 55 up to so on we will put the value, and we will, like in mathematics, we find the values of x and y. Here we are time and position. For different timing we will find the values of position. At 0 it is 10 meter, at 1 it is 25, already we have find out here. At 2 it is 40, at 3 it is 55, at 4 it is 7, at 5 it is 85, and up to so on. Now in this graph we will mark the points. At time is equal to 1, its position, at time is equal to 0, its position is 10, we will mark it here. Then at 1 its position is 25, it means here. Clear? Then at 2 position is 40 here. Similarly at 3 position is 55 near about here. At 4 position is 85 up to so on. So we will meet all these points. It will be a straight line graph inclined to time axis, means it is a straight line but inclined to time axis, means time axis ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ angle ਬਣ ਰਿਹਾ. Clear? Afterwards we have to find the slope of this graph. Now in general we will plot the graph in general form. These are the values we have found out and we have plot the graph in general form. This graph will be like this. Time axis, it is origin point, let it be x naught, let it be x, and let it be x dash. 3 different points I have taken. We know that graph will be like this. So all these points we will meet here. At this time will be t dash, and this time it will be t, and this point will be a dash, this point will be b dash, this point will be a, this will be b, this will be c. Now this distance will be x dash minus x, because up to this it is x dash and this is x, so this in between distance will be x dash minus x. Similarly this time will be t dash minus t. Clear? Now we have to find the slope of this graph. If we will take two different points like this, two different points, any 2 points we will take corresponding to time t and t dash. These points are a and b. So the position of object at time is x. This time at t its position is x, and time t dash its position is x dash. So we know that AC is equal to t dash minus t, this AC, and this BC is equal to x dash minus x. So slope of this position time graph is BC upon AC, because we know that tan theta is the slope, or it is noted by m. So it is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular will be this BC, or base will be this AC. So it will be x dash minus x upon t dash minus t. Clear? So इसदा मतलब की है, the position time graph gives the velocity of an object in uniform motion. It is all about in uniform motion. Now if we take this graph already that we have plotted with the values